On this accord, B1664 is handled through the keyless access control unit. In plain language, this code may point to a problem in the rear interior LF antenna circuit used by the keyless access system. The driver may notice keyless access or push-button start behavior that is intermittent or not working as expected. The possible fault areas can include the rear interior LF antenna, the EXDR plus and EXDR circuit wiring, connector condition, or the keyless access control unit itself. The goal here is not to guess at the antenna or the control unit. We are going to confirm the code first, then check whether the control unit can drive the rear cabin antenna circuit, and finally check the wiring if that output is missing. Start by clearing the DTCs with the HDS. From the HDS, select the mode menu, enter the self-check, run the self-check, and then check for DTCs again. If B1664 is indicated, continue to the rear interior LF antenna circuit output check. If B1664 is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent failure for now. The system is okay at this time, so check closely for loose or poor connections before going any deeper. Next, check the keyless access control unit output on the EXDR plus and EXDR lines. Press the engine start/stop button to select the OFF mode, then disconnect the rear interior LF antenna 2P connector. Press the engine start/stop button again to select the on mode. On the HDS, select keyless access control from the one-push start system select menu, enter functional tests, and connect the voltmeter at the rear interior LF antenna connector. Test point 1 is rear interior LF antenna 2P connector no. 1. The LTGRN wire. Test point 2 is rear interior LF antenna 2P connector no. 2. The WHT wire. Then select cabin rear antenna with the HDS. If there is voltage, replace the rear interior LF antenna. If there is no voltage, keep going and check the wiring between the antenna connector and the keyless access control unit. For the open wire check, press the engine start/stop button to select the OFF mode. Disconnect keyless access control unit connector A, the 32P connector. With connector A disconnected and the rear interior LF antenna 2P connector still disconnected, check continuity on the EXDR plus and EXDR lines. For XDR plus, check between keyless access control unit connector A no. 31. The PNK wire and rear interior LF antenna 2P connector no. 2. The WHT wire. For XDR, check between keyless access control unit connector A no. 15. The PUR wire and rear interior LF antenna 2P connector no. 1. The LTGRN wire. If there is continuity, replace the keyless access control unit. If there is no continuity, repair the open or high resistance in the wire. The logic is straightforward. Confirm B1664, command the rear cabin antenna circuit, then prove whether the fault is at the antenna in the wiring or back at the keyless access control unit. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.